Hello guys, so today I'm going to be folding this origami cicada. Here it is. So guys, please check out my other video as well, and please consider subscribing, okay? So here is the cicada. So first you need a square sheet of paper, like so, and then the color you want on the back, okay? And you want to fold this whole thing in half. Like so. And then you want to fold it in half again. Like so. Then you want to unfold that step that you did. And then you want to take these two bottom corners and fold it right over to that top corner right there, okay? So bring this corner and fold it right over to that top corner. Okay, same thing on this side as well. So bring this bottom corner right here and fold it right over to that top corner. Okay, and now starting from this side corner right here, you want to fold this triangle down all the way down to the bottom, but you want to leave it in a slight angle like that. Okay. And do the same thing on the other side as well. So you see this corner, so you want to start from this corner right here and bring this whole triangle down in a slight angle and match it with the other side, okay? Like so. And then you want to take this top layer and fold it kind of partially down somewhere in the middle. I guess somewhere right here, okay? And then you want to take this back layer and you want to fold that back layer down, but you want to leave a little bit of space between this front layer and this back layer here, okay? Just like that. And then you want to flip it over to the back side, and then you see this edge right here, this short edge here. You want to fold this edge right down to the center line right here, okay? Take this and fold it right over to the center line. And same thing on the other side. So you see this edge right here. You want to fold it right over to the center line. Okay, then flip it back over to the front, and here is an origami cicada. So yeah, thank you for watching and have a great day.